Is your money sitting in a traditional savings account because you're too scared to lose it in the stock market? You think you're being safe. But what if I told you that by playing it safe, you are guaranteed to lose money every single year? Meet anxious Abby. Abby is a champion saver. She works hard and hides her money away like a squirrel preparing for winter. To her, the stock market looks like a giant, terrifying casino. She's seen the headlines about market crashes, and she's decided it's just not worth the risk. Common Sense Cal has some tough love for Abby. While her money sits still, the price of eggs, rent, and gas keeps going up. This is inflation. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you aren't saving. You're slowly losing your purchasing power. Cal shows Abby the common sense way to invest. Not by picking hot stocks or gambling, but through index funds. Investing isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. By owning a small piece of the 500 biggest companies in America, Abby isn't gambling. She's owning the economy. Once Abby realized that the biggest risk was doing nothing, she started small. Now her money is working as hard for her as she works for it.